Hi there, it's Kurt with Kurt Tanner Motor Cars. This is our 1965 Triumph TR4A solid axle convertible. It's finished in British Racing green, black interior, 4-speed overdrive, 60 spoke wire wheels with red lines, black soft top. Pretty nice restored car that we purchased from a high school shop teacher back east, and then we sold it to a nice gentleman in Nevada. He spent the last 3-4 months doing a very nice completion of the restoration, and now it's back here for sale. But TR4A solid axle in really great colors, but recipient of a very nice restoration throughout. So good paint, good panel fit. Let's do a slow walk around here. Really handsome grille, brand new front bumper, lots of new chrome. Like I said, fresher paint. Wheel and tire set, brakes. Do a little slow walk around here so everyone can have a good look at everything. But yeah, really good shiny, glossy British Racing green. TR4A solid axle car. They made IRS versions, and then they made the solid axle version. And this is a TR4A live axle or solid axle. Live axle as the British like to call it. But yeah, pretty nice cosmetics throughout. You know, very good cosmetics. New windshield, brand new rubber, lock-up strip. All this stuff here has been changed out and replaced. Let's have a look at the interior. New panel kit, brand new soft top. These are new leather seats. They look like Moss kits to me. New new solid teak dashboard. All new crash pads, top pad, carpet kit. Lovely wood alloy steering wheel. Gauges look great. They're all nice and crisp. Right there is your overdrive switch. So super desirable overdrive gearbox. Have a look at the driving video. I'm going to take this for a spin. But yeah, good clean car underneath. Come around the back here. Let's take a look at the trunk. Trunk's been all nicely restored with the correct kit. Trunk board. Good fitting trunk. Yeah, if you're in the market for a TR4A, you know, everything's been done just about to this car. Cosmetically and then mechanically, it's had lots of mechanical attention done, but presents nicely. I would call this, you know, a very, very good driver condition car. Perfect condition for, you know, using it and enjoying it around town and on the freeway, especially with that overdrive unit. Yeah, chrome is kind of a mix and match. I think this is the original chrome here. Really good condition. Bumpers are good used. Emblems, though, are brand new. As you can see here, brand new door panels fitted, new door seals. Lovely correct leather seat kit, brand new soft top. But yeah, just lovely overall condition, ready to go. Let's take a look at this car's engine compartment. You're going to be equally impressed. Also included is this matching paint, aftermarket hardtop in really good shape, with a nice rear window with rubber, and you've got a black tonneau cover. Let's take a look at this car's engine compartment. So under here, as you can see, all nicely painted as well. New brakes, super good tuned up original correct TR4A engine with those HS6 carbs. New wiring harness throughout. So quite the nice restored car here. We'll come over to this side. As you can see, new brakes, new fuel pump, all new ignition stuff, ducting, wiring. There's a nice overview of the engine. Yeah, this is well priced for what the amount of work that's been put into this car. This is a very well priced TR4A in the best colors. It does not take us long to sell cars in British racing green in this current market. But yeah, have a look at the undercarriage photos. Really good looking, higher end, driver. This is our 1965 Triumph TR4A convertible, finished in British racing green, matching aftermarket hardtop, black leather interior, black top, tonneau cover, 4-speed with overdrive, 60 spoke wire wheels, red line tires, recipient of a recently completed total cosmetic restoration and partial mechanical rebuild. Very good value. www.kurttannermotorcars.com.